morning. This is Hiker Dude Dad and Mad Taco. We're here at the Chesapeake in Ohio National Historic Park. It is a national park. Didn't realize that, or we might have brought our rising fourth grader B-Dog and gotten in free, but nope, made our contribution, and here we are. We're on our way to a softball tournament for this girl. 5 days worth of softball over there in Virginia. It'll be her first time in the state, but we're here near the Great Falls area, checking out this awesome area. There's a viaduct or aqueduct below us and some falls. We're going to be walking down the Potomac River here and exploring. Shout out to Walter Zollner on YouTube. Amazing video, check it out. Inspired me to come down here. I realized that this was kind of pretty much on our way to this softball tournament, so we got 5 hot sweaty days of softball in our future, so not gonna do too much here, not gonna get too exhausted. It's not even 11 a.m. and it's almost 90 degrees. This was a Tavern house, my kind of place, on the Ohio and Chesapeake and Ohio Canal, which looking a little dry today, but here's one of the locks from this historic canal. Apparently everything here was in use until 1889. The Great Flood of 1889. Great Falls Tavern became a private club until the National Park Service acquired it in 1938. So, yes, this building before us was a small lock house and was added onto twice. And the area around the tavern bustled with a community of 100 people. Huge. Olmsted Island here is a very well preserved example of a bedrock terraced forest, and you're very much restricted to being on this path. They don't want you climbing and tromping around here and disturbing the preserved forest. So this is Great Falls. Apparently the Potomac was wide and flat, and then came an ice age. Sea level fell 300 feet, and the Potomac had to carve a deeper channel to reach the ocean. Because of the difficulty of getting through the bedrock, it created some uneven channels and waterfalls and rapids, and here we are. bedrock cliffs, amazing waterfalls, awesome rapids. This is gorgeous. The Potomac River drops 60 feet here at Great Falls, and an additional 85 feet by the time it reaches Washington, D.C., 10 miles downstream. We are on the Maryland side right now, so over there is Virginia. See people over there too. Our National Park Pass today gets us into the Virginia side as well. So several of these old locks here. This is lock 18. A lot of them still have the big heavy wooden doors. Raise ships up the canal. Canal's pretty dry though. Looks like water on maps, but yeah, looks like it's been dry for a while. Honestly, a lot of vegetation in there.
Oh no, make sure you don't fall in.
I'll try not to. So the Potomac River's a killer. Apparently in the last 10 years, 57 lives have been lost in the river from Great Falls to Little Falls. 14 people in 1984 alone. So above Great Falls, the riverbed narrows from 3/4 of a mile to 200 feet, causing the current to increase tremendously. And this is pretty graphic. Roll over flat when you fall in there, Taco. Roll over flat, float. Go feet first. And watch out for the Potomac River. It does actually look very peaceful right under us here.
Probably the fastest it was moving in the hours.
What do you think? Do people get lured into it on days like this where it's like 92 degrees just after 11 a.m.?
Yeah. I want to go jump in right now.
No, I wouldn't. It's a killer.
Now I don't because of that sign.
Okay, well, the sign worked then. So this was a quick stop. This is only going to end up being a like a little 2-mile out and back trip here. I wanted to go further down the river where you can climb on rocks and hopefully avoid the dangers of the Potomac, but we got 5 days of softball ahead of her. I think Utah did train her pretty well though, because she was surprised when I said that we got 1 mile out there. She said it didn't feel like much, so I think she's trained, she's ready for the heat and ready to play ball. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll get back here someday. This is a real nice spot, and she said she wishes the tournament was 3 months ago because it would have been more comfortable to explore a little more, right? So maybe we'll be back. If not, thanks for watching, subscribe, and check out the rest of our videos. Thanks a lot.